Okay, we're outside in the blizzard of 2017. Today is January the 7th. You can see some white caps out there on the Nansemond River. Hard to tell how much snow we got so far. Remy's enjoying it. Are you eating it, Remy? What do you think, buddy? You like the snow? Yeah, hi, Thor. This is the first time we've had snow that we've had Thor. So we weren't sure what he'd think. The wind's blowing pretty good. The reporting is supposed to be blizzard conditions in Norfolk. You can hear the wind blowing here, but it's not sustained 35 and above. At least it doesn't seem like it. Here we go. What are you doing, buddy? Remy, are you still eating snow? Here, get it. Rembot, get it. Get it, boys. Get it. Well, you can see on the steps kind of the depth we have there. I put a moving blanket down. I plan to move it. See if I can drag the snow off later and see how that works. Anyhow, we'll sign off for now. Just wanted to get a status update. It's 10:45 on Saturday, January the 7th, 2017.